the alphabet C. Take a slant line up till the top blue line, take a curve, come back on the same line and take a turn. We are going to make 4 such patterns. Do not waste time in writing the same alphabet many times. Just ensure that when you are making it 4 times, they all look identical. In case you are unable to achieve them, you will again make it in set of 4. Kindly give more time for practicing the alphabet C, because making a perfect C will in turn help you make 5 other alphabets perfectly. Please notice here the dots are not in the same line, means this dot is behind the upper dot. So in case if this line is extended, you will find it's a slant line which is exactly parallel to the line opposite to it, and both of them are at the same angle. So this will help you get a slant cursive C. Whereas if you're interested to make a straight C, we'll still start with slant line up, take a curve, and when you reach the middle part between the 2 blue lines, you're going to take a curve and extend the curve till the time you reach just opposite to this point. So in case of straight C, the points are going to lie opposite to each other. So if you extend this line, this is going to be straight, whereas this line is going to intersect the opposite line. So this will help you get straight C, whereas this is going to help you with slant C. In this case, we take a turn here at this point when it covers about 3/4 portion between the 2 blue lines. So the curve is on the down side, whereas in the straight C, you take it once you reach the middle point. Mistakes are to be avoided, and what do they say about you? When a C is made with a slight or half loop made on the top, it usually says you have grudge for other people. With a more kind of complete loop above, this says people backstab you. If you are making too many rounds before making a C on the top, this shows a secretive nature. When you make a C in this kind of patterns, wherein here the line is hanging in the air, here a big gap is created, or if you make a C wherein a very small gap is created here at the base, this shows one cannot manage time or an indisciplined attitude towards work, like they are able to complete certain things or maybe unable to complete certain tasks. That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!